Are you looking for the best sandblaster in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 6 best sandblaster that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 1, LEMATEC Portable Sandblaster Gun. Looking for an efficient and high-quality sandblasting gun? Look no further than the sandblasting gun from Fine Parts. This top-of-the-line gun is designed for efficient sandblasting, liquid and air cleaning of parts and surfaces. The high quality and fine-made parts of the gun assure uninterrupted flow of blasting material, making it ideal for sandblasting, surface polishing processing, and machinery parts. The cast aluminum pistol handle of the gun ensures a comfortable grip and long-time use. Plus, the gun is perfect for cleaning metal rims on car wheels, removing rust from fences, and refurbishing external brickwork. So don't wait any longer, order your sandblasting gun from Fine Parts today. At number 2, Wogoboo Sandblaster Gun. If you're in the market for a sandblasting gun, you'll want to check out the offerings from Fine Parts. Their gun is designed for efficient sandblasting and can also be used for liquid and air cleaning of parts and surfaces. The high quality and well-made parts of the gun assure uninterrupted flow of blasting material, making it ideal for sandblasting, surface polishing processing, and machinery parts. The cast aluminum pistol handle of the gun ensures a comfortable grip and long-time use. Plus, the gun is perfect for cleaning metal rims on car wheels, removing rust from fences, and refurbishing external brickwork. So don't wait any longer, order your sandblasting gun from Fine Parts today. At number 3, LEMATEC Sandblaster Gun. If you're looking for a top-quality sandblaster gun kit, the AS118-2 Premium Sandblaster Gun Kit is a great option. This gun kit operates at 90 psi to 150 psi and has an airflow of 12 CFM at 100 psi. It also features a media compartment that supports most blasting materials, from aluminum oxide to coal slag. Plus, the AS118-2 Sandblaster Gun Kit has siphon function with 2 control regulators, making larger projects a breeze. And since it can be used as a soda blaster for glass etching and all your DIY projects, you'll find plenty of uses for it around the house or garage. When it comes to automotive work, this sandblasting gun makes quick and easy work of engine block cleaning, frame rust removal, and much more. At number 4, AMTOVL Sandblasting Gun. If you're looking for a powerful and versatile sandblasting tool, then you'll want to check out the alloy steel blast nozzle. This nozzle is designed for surface sandblasting and marble engraving, and it's made from durable alloy steel that will stand up to heavy use. The blast nozzle is also much lighter than cast iron models, so it's easier to handle, and it's more economical, too. With its good performance and strong wear resistance, the alloy steel blast nozzle is a great choice for a variety of applications. It's perfect for cleaning parts and surfaces with high-pressure liquid or air, and it's also great for blasting away rust, paint, and grime. The nozzle comes in a variety of sizes to suit your needs, and it's easy to use, so you'll be up and running in no time. So, if you're looking for a top-quality sandblasting tool that can handle the toughest jobs, the alloy steel blast nozzle is the way to go. At number 5, FUJIWARA Sandblaster Gun. The FUJIWARA Sandblaster Gun Kit is a professional, portable hand-held feed sandblaster kit that comes with 2 replaceable tips. The safety-vented feed hopper holds up to 36 ounces of abrasive blast media. The blaster's adjustable control valve allows you to have precise control over material flow depending on the needs. It can be used for sandblasting, surface polishing processing, and machinery parts. The handle is designed with black color and the curved handle design makes the operation more comfortable. The FUJIWARA Sandblaster Gun Kit is a great choice for those who are looking for an efficient and reliable sandblasting gun. The quality of the product is excellent and it is very easy to use. Highly recommended. At number 6, Jewboer Sandblaster Gun. This sandblaster is designed for efficient sandblasting, liquid and air cleaning of parts and surfaces. The high quality and fine-made parts assures uninterrupted flow of blasting material. Can be used for sandglass, sandblasting, surface polishing processing, machinery parts. The cast aluminum pistol handle ensures comfortable grip and long-time use. Ideal to clean metal rims on car wheels, remove rust from fences, refurbish external brickwork, etc. Highly efficient and a great time saver, the sandblaster is perfect for anyone who wants to make quick work of cleaning metal surfaces. The build quality is excellent, with a comfortable grip and sturdy construction. The uninterrupted flow of blasting material is also a huge plus, making this one of the most efficient sandblasters on the market. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.